Hi everyone, I'm Bonnie Young and I am a digital marketing associate at the Guthrie Theater.
Hi, my name is Maddie Jochims and I'm a senior social insights and engagement coordinator at Kohl.
Hi, I'm Nikkole Moorfield. I'm a senior account manager at Broadhead.
I have always been a part of artistic communities, and so having the opportunity to combine my passion for the arts with my professional skills in advertising is the perfect combination for a job for me.
Obviously, we live in a really digital age. It is really such an epitome of our culture and the way that we communicate with one another.
I've always been drawn to roles that combine relationship building with organization and problem solving. I really love bringing everyone together and moving things forward, being a facilitator.
We have some really good classes here at Hubbard. Those gave me lasting pieces in my portfolio.
I think the professors really were the resources that I leaned on. You know, sat down with me one-on-one, worked in pros and cons. I thought that they were all really open and understanding and able to provide great feedback.
I would say the classes at Hubbard are very great for the foundation, but I actually gained the best resource by joining Backpack and getting hands-on experience in the advertising industry with real clients and having deadlines, learning the agency process.
Being on the job for about a year now, I've been really more confident in pitching my ideas and creating my content, whether that's photo, video, writing copy. I feel it's really improved.
So one way that I feel like I really stood out within the applicants at Kohl's is my ability to bring real world examples into my resume and kind of use that to my ability to say, here's what I can bring to the table.
I just love to get to know everyone on my team, the clients, the way they work. Getting to know them really makes the best experience and produces the best work.
In my day-to-day job, I spend a lot of time brainstorming. I'm also in charge of creating said content. Sometimes I go to the costume shop, take photo and video of what they're doing, or I ask all the employees around a question. I also spend a lot of time planning for future things. I know what shows we're going to put on, and so I start brainstorming copy that might fit that kind of vibe and the tone of the show, and then I sort of fill things in when I'm able to, and then change it and post it.
Communication skills with adults. I think at the Hubbard School we're really blessed to work with real brands and real people in the world. Being able to not only communicate with those people in person, but also professionally over email and meeting deadlines.
I'd say I've grown in confidence leading client and internal conversations and making key decisions, and while that could be so little, looking back, it's very important, and also advocating for myself in the work while still being collaborative.
It's a lot less pressure than I expected. I wasn't expecting to have as much fun as I do.
When I was an intern, I really treated it as an opportunity to kind of understand, what is this company, being that backbone of, hey, I'm only here for 10 weeks, so put me into everything.
Be proactive, curious, and ask questions early and often.
I think anything that you're passionate about can also be an opportunity for you to gain skills in this profession. You can do things you're passionate about and build your professional skills all at once.
Being uncomfortable in the uncomfortable. Is this what I want to do? What does the next step look like? Being able to kind of be comfortable in those questions is where you're really going to be able to find out more about yourself and what you're really enjoying and what you're really passionate about in your work.
Pick an industry that you really are interested in. It could even be a hobby. I think that's a big confidence booster if you can really talk about the industry or the potential clients you would be working on to really market yourself and stand out.
I was right there with you just a year ago. It is really hard out there, but never give up. Just keep applying, even if you don't think you have the skills necessarily. It can't hurt to apply, and just reach out to your connections. Just don't give up. Keep putting yourself out there and it will come.